guys, it is Saturday, February 29th. I could not remember the date. And, well, I have stayed true once again. And it's 9 in the morning. And it's freezing cold. It's like 28 degrees out. I hate it. But, at the very least, I'm going to be inside where it's nice and warm. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Meet you guys there.
Natalie, hold on.
Yeah, my arm broke. I saw it! You better like that. Too. Hey.
What? Oh my god!
You guys have an extra scissor I could borrow? It's one right here I'm not using.
Okay, thanks.
So you see these like white edges? Yeah, I got it right here. Yeah, you get that. Where is Dan? Natalie told me that she does this thing where like if like people like threaten her or like like we're just like what?
Well, guys, I am done. It is now like probably 4:30. Yep, 4:30. And yeah, time to go home. And oh my god, it is so windy out. I think you can hear it. Really windy out. But anyway, I'm gonna get home and ooh, Mr. Policeman is there. I see you. You ain't being sneaky, looking at me, or whatever you're looking at. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna make my way home, and maybe I'll take Riley for a walk. Actually, maybe not. It's a little windy, but yeah, I'm heading home. Well, I'm with Riley, and I've taken some precautions about the cold. Got my hat, and it's still windy. Brr. Very cold. Anyway, we're just continuing to walk. Going for a shorter walk today. Alright, good morning guys. It's Sunday now. And today, me and Justin, I'm going to go pick him up in a minute. We're going to a place that's nearby our houses to take some pictures for our photography class. But not with this small camera that I use, with this one. And no, don't worry, this is not a bomb. Well, it's a bigger, better camera that our teacher, well, he has cameras, and we signed one out for the weekend. Or at least I did, I should say. So yeah, we're gonna go, I'm gonna pick them up, and we'll go and take some pictures. And also compare the two, to, this camera that I use, which is the Canon PowerShot GL-FH 190IS, so, to, I think this is like a Nikon, the bigger one. So yeah, anyway, let me get... Got that waterfall back here. The river over here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing. Let's go to Cutie.
Look at all those kind of branches.
Like vines.
Oh, there's some vines.
Yeah, that's to separate their yard from everything.
Oh yeah.
So
Wasn't it raining a couple of days?
yeah, it was.
You drink the water?
Yeah, that's where all our water comes from.
Well, all of us are sick anyway, so okay. I wonder if there's any dead bodies on there.
You never know. Although the fish probably would have eaten them by now. Fish need to eat too. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video off right here. It was pretty fun. I got all the pictures that I really needed. And yeah, it was a nice day, well, even though it was cold. But, well, sadly guys, next weekend, I'm pretty much going to be starting, well, in my opinion, I think probably the musical season is really going to get going, just because I'm literally going to be there, like, every single weekend for probably the next 3 vlogs, and in the week, so yeah, it's going to be kind of crazy, but it'll be fun. And yeah, so yeah, and also in other news, the coronavirus has officially set itself up here in the U.S. So that's great, although it's on the other side of the U.S. on the West Coast. Not by me, but you know, it may spread. Hopefully I don't get it, because that would be terrible. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give this a like, consider subscribing if you have not, and share this video out. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
It's over.